Survival in the wild, natural world is not an easy thing for every animal. It's fighting for territory, mates, and even cannibalism that is no longer a strange thing. Even the species of lions also have many similar cases. It's unbelievable that a lion can do this to its own kind. And sometimes the biggest threat to the lions is their own kind. Just because he was afraid of being robbed of his prey, the male lion had rushed in to bite the female lion so hard that it had broken her spine and had paralyzed her hind legs. This will make it impossible for her to walk again. Not being able to move means not being able to hunt, which is like a death sentence for lions. And the other lions in the herd also abandoned it. So maybe it will face other predators such as leopards or hyenas, and eventually will be eaten by them, as more cruelly than becoming a meal for their fellow being. When too hungry, it is not able to hunt, as the lion will defy everything, even butchering his own kind. As here we see 4 male lions rushing in to bite a female, even though it is still alive and struggling. In the end, it still cannot escape its fate of being eaten and becoming a delicious meal for its own kind. You see, this is cruel, but lions only live by their inherent instincts. To hunt and fight is not. Can they survive? Even in a herd, lions of the same bloodline cannot avoid being slaughtered and eaten by their brothers and sisters. As this is crazy and unbelievable, isn't it? As before your eyes is the image of a dead lioness, and the cubs in the herd play with the corpse, as if playing with their own prey. And then, finally they carry the corpse to a safer place to eat and enjoy. When hungry, the lions can eat their fellows deliciously. Even the cubs rush in to compete for food. As we find this very cruel and hard to believe. In the natural world, animals can do anything as long as they can survive and fill their stomachs. As the terrible battles between male lions for territory and for mating rights are also very common. The fight comes to an end if one of them is defeated and seriously injured, or dying. If injured too badly, the male lion will die, and his carcass will become a meal for the hyenas or other hungry lions. Indeed, the hyenas are lurking around with the lions guarding the dead male lion. They consider the carcass as a reserve meal for the cubs. As this is very cruel, but without doing so, the lions will find it very difficult to survive in their harsh environments. They are forced to abandon the old, sick, and seriously injured. As the lion cub injured his hind legs and cannot stand up, he has to move with his front legs to drag his lower body. Although the mother lion lowers her cubs, and the brothers and sisters in the herd are all playing with it. But just because it doesn't move normally, it was left behind. As the lion cubs despair, it sadly watched the mother lion lead the herd away, and perhaps it will wait for death or become the prey for another animal. It is sad that the mother lion has to choose to abandon her cubs so that the rest of the herd can survive. As the lion cub was attacked and injured by the elephant, the mother lion was forced to choose, and she had chosen to kill the lion cub to protect the others. This is very cruel to you, but in the wild, it becomes very normal. Although the wild world is so cruel here, we will see everything that happens naturally, as the species that are considered the lords of the savannah and standing at the top of their food chain also have a fierce competition within themselves. This is a natural selection, and also the balance of the ecosystem. As today's video comes to an end, how do you feel after watching this video? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching all our videos. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And for now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.
Hello everyone who is watching the Wildlife channel. We will help you to admire the most realistic images of the animal world, with hunting or the fiery battles that are shown through special footage. You will be able to relax while watching the wildlife after a hard working hours. It's not only that, but you can also learn more about the behavior and the survival ability of the rare animals that only a few people know about, or that all creatures from the land to the ocean to the birds in the sky. As an addition, we also share the latest videos for you to explore the natural world, useful materials and knowledge that are also accurately presented by us through sharp images and vivid sound. If you want to learn about the animal world or you love them, then our channel is the best choice. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss any videos. Thank you all for coming to our channel, and we wish you a pleasant experience.